How you doing? You are welcome to my online mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Akeem. Then you can also follow me on Facebook, Akeem. We have a problem on the board here. Evaluate log 5 is 0.04. Everything all over log 318 minus log 32. How can we solve this question? Of course, to some students, this will surely give them this will surely give them some challenges. Why some brilliant one will not have problem with this. For those students that are having problems solving a question like this, watch me now and see how we go about solving it. This is very simple. Of course, the first thing we need to do here is to change this decimal to fraction. We have 0.04. Convert it to fraction. Of course, we are going to have 4 all over. This point will serve as your 1, while the number of digits after the points will be represented by 0. After this point now, we have 2 digits. That means we're going to have 0, 0. Then we can now reduce this to the lowest term. So the question now will now turn to log 5, 4 all over 100. After converting 0.04 to fraction, we can now reduce this to the lowest term. Looking at the denominator, we can apply the law of logarithm to the denominator, whereby the minus sign will now change to division sign since the two of them are having the same base. That means we are going to have log 3 into 18 all over 2. Let's reduce the two of them together. 4 here is 1. 4 can go in 25. 4 can go in 100 25 times. That means the numerator now will now be base 5, 1 all over 25. Then everything all over log 3. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 9. We have 9 here. Looking at both numerator and denominator, you will notice that the two of them are having different base. That means we cannot solve them together. We are going to solve the numerator separately and also solve the denominator separately. Then we can now combine the answers together. Of course, we can simplify the numerator as log 5, 1 all over 5 raised to power 2. Because 5 raised to power 2, 5 times 5 is equal to 25. All over log 3, 9 also is 3 times 3, which is equal to 3 raised to power 2. We have 3 raised to power 2. Going by the law of log that I gave you earlier, we said, okay, we can still, before we apply that law of log, we can still simplify this. If you simplify the numerator, we are going to have log 5. Why this one now will now turn to 5 raised to power minus 2. Everything all over log 3, 3, 2. So going by this law I gave you, log b m raised to power n. This one will be equal to n log b m. That is exactly what we are going to apply here. Applying that, we have the minus 2, we move to the back. Why the 2 here, we also move to the back. So we are now going to have minus 2 log 5, 5 all over this one 2 will give us 3 raised to power 2. We have 2 log 3, 3. So log 5, 5 will give us 1. So we have minus 2 times 1. And log 3, 3 will also give us 1 since they have the same base and the same power. So we have 2 times 1. So that will now give us, when we cancel, we are left with minus 1. So therefore, the answer is minus 1. We have come to the end of this solving. In our subsequent episode, we will still we will continue to solve as many problems as possible. Thanks for watching. To log into my account, don't forget to subscribe into my account on YouTube at Akeem. Then you can also follow me on Facebook, Akeem. Thanks for watching.